Okay, so this is our second topic with vaccinating the children with MMR cause autism. So the population is children and the intervention is the MMR vaccine, and then we compare against children who did not receive the MMR vaccine. So the outcome would be whether or not they developed autism, so autism. And then the research test is a case control to compare between the children who did and did not receive the vaccine. And it's an etiology question type, specifically harm. So now we go to PubMed. And we're gonna click the mesh database, and then we're gonna search our first item, which is MMR. Okay, so we got 4 results, and MMR is the only relevant one, so we open it. Okay, and we can add this directly to the search bar because we don't want to specify anything. Then our next topic is autism, so we search autism. Okay, and we get out of the 9, only the first 2 are relevant to our topic, so we open autistic disorder. And then we see that it's under autism spectrum disorder, which was the second one, so we opened it. It includes both Asperger syndrome and autistic disorder, which are relevant to the autism spectrum disorder, so we're going to keep it. And in PubMed, it's automatically exploded unless you click do not include the mesh terms. So we're not going to click this, and we're going to add it to our search builder. Okay, then we're going to copy this, and we're going to go back to the page, click on clinical queries. And because we have an etiology question, we're going to click etiology and copy in our search. And we're going to keep it broad for now. So we click search. And we get, okay, so we got 113 results, so we're going to click see all 13 results. Because we want it specifically in children, we're going to go down to our filters, click additional filters, age, and we're going to choose child, so birth to 18 years, show. And then it's not enough to do this, you have to click on the actual filter as well. Okay, so now we get 82 results of what we searched for, and if you want to make it more narrow, then you can go back and click narrow, but this should be enough for now.